Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving out of the town of Old Harbour, and Old Harbour is located in the parish of St. Catherine. It's a very old town in Jamaica, you can tell by the look of this clock. All the towns back in the days of colonialism had those, every town centre had a clock like that. Of course it doesn't work now, but it's still there. Not sure why they don't take them down and get rid of them, but it's still there. Alright, so we are now driving out of Old Harbour. We're driving from Old Harbour towards Maypen. So before you had the highway, this was the main road you would have to take, because Old Harbour did not have, or does not have, a bypass. So when you are driving from, say, Kingston to Westmoreland or Mandeville, this is the road you would have to take when you reach this section. Spanish Town has a bypass, Maypen has a bypass, Mandeville has a bypass, but Old Harbour does not have a bypass. A bypass was being built once, but when they started the construction of the highway, the bypass was incorporated into the highway. So outside, well, where we are now, you have a lot of housing developments, and on the outskirts of the Old Harbour town, you have a lot of residential communities. Very nice homes. The one on the left is a gated community. You have more on the right. Alright, so this is now the border between St. Catherine and Clarendon. Turn left and that road takes you down towards the Milk River Bath. So we're now in the parish of Clarendon. This is the Freetown area. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.